What up, YouTube? We're here with Chief Carnivus from Masters of the Universe Classics Mo2. Guru will tell you about it.
Hello. This is another one of those cool ones that isn't humanoid, so it has different face sculpt and different arms and stuff. And I really like the ones that aren't human, although I do love the human ones. But it's always fun to get a weird creature. Cool shield. I've had this one for a while. He's a little dusty. If I remember correctly, he's a good guy. Let's get a face shot here. He's got really wicked green eyes. Let's check out his shoulder. And his undies has got something on it there. I can't tell exactly what that thing is. Great mobility. Cool looking toy. Good paint, like on all the rest. The brown's nice to look at on the purple. He's got a cool hair sculpt with his two little danglies here. He's got little dreads in the front and it looks like a little beard. His ears poke out through his hair. I'm guessing his cape probably comes off. There's his gauntlets on his feet, or his boot gauntlets, but they're not boots because I don't have part of the hair. Shin protectors, perhaps. Whoa, almost took out Scared Wood with his sword there. Yeah, his sword's something to mention. It's got a cool shape to it. Whoosh. Arabic, maybe? Kind of reminds me of that. It's got the same ball there that he does up in his shoulders and on his crest in the front. Well put together toy. Go get him.